Tired of fumbling for cash or cards? Let's ditch the wallet woes and jump into the seamless world of Apple Pay on Square. First, make sure the business you're shopping at uses Square for their payments. You'll typically see the Square logo on their card reader or point-of-sale system. Next, wake up your iPhone or Apple Watch. If you have Face ID, double-click the side button for Touch ID. Rest your finger on the home button. This activates Apple Pay. Now, hold your device near the Square reader. You'll usually see an Apple Pay symbol on the reader's screen or a prompt telling you where to tap. You'll hear a chime and feel a gentle vibration when the payment is complete. Plus, you'll see a check mark on your device and the Square terminal, confirming a successful transaction. The best part, all your transactions are securely stored in your Apple Wallet, making it easy to track your spending. That's it. Enjoy the speed, security, and convenience of using Apple Pay on Square. Making purchases has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.